And if you have a garage or a room that you want to redo, this is your sign. Just go and do it. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Agrima.
And my name is Tanvi, and in this video we are going to redo Agrima's garage.
So we're gonna tell you the whole process and how we went about redoing my garage. We've added a few elements and we also painted it all by ourselves. So without any further ado, let's do this.
So we are going to take you through the whole process day wise, and she's gonna start.
Yeah, the first day. So it was very impromptu and we decided one night before she was coming that let's just paint my garage. First day I got some white paint and white cement as well, so that so as to make the walls.
You can see that how there were some little portions that were broken. So to fix that and to get evenness in the wall, she had to put
white cement on top of them, and I did it all by myself. I was video calling her in between and I was like, see what I'm doing. So even though it was a lot of fun.
Also, if you haven't subscribed, we do so much work, so pause this video, go down.
This video literally took us days, so please
subscribe
like
to our
and subscribe.
channel if you haven't yet.
Yeah, so then I painted, I did the first white coat as well because I talked to the painter
And
that
they said
usually
that
paint.
the coat, you have to do a double coat because it had to be coated with another coat of paint. So that's why, to cover up the whole wall and get it into one color, we had to paint it twice. So she did the first coat all by herself, and when I came the next day, we did the second white and the third coat.
Yeah, so because we decided to do the front wall yellow color, we did not do the second coat of white on that wall. But then when she came, we started doing the yellow, and on the side walls we had to do another coat of white. So we started doing white and yellow when she came.
Yeah.
So that was, even though it looks like a lot of fun, it was a lot of work.
Oh, so after we painted the yellow wall, then we decided to do a
pattern on the wall. And so we decided to, watch a lot of videos that say, 5 minutes, paint the wall in 5 minutes. And we wanted to give it a shot as well. Like, does it work or does it not? So we bought rollers, like big rollers. And what did we do?
So to make a pattern on this wall, we've decided to make straight lines with white color.
Yes, so what we've decided to do is that we're taping the roller so that it will make straight lines all by itself. Like this one will be white and this will be the gap that we need, and the rest you'll see when we do it.
Yeah, we taped the rollers so that it gives a little tiry print.
Yeah, we wanted straight lines. And we thought that instead of putting masking tapes, let's just give this a shot because our paint, the lower layer of the paint was also not as dry as it should be for the masking tape. So yeah, so that's what we did. We started taping it. I think we made 3 rounds of tape
on one roll.
Yeah, and then we dip it in white paint, and we were so scared.
Our hands were literally shivering because we were scared that if we spoil this wall, we will have to do the whole procedure again.
And then we just dipped it in white paint.
I still remember our first line was not a straight line.
It was like, shit, we messed up. We were like, we went up straight and then it got curved and we were like, oh shit, we messed up.
This is going to be so bad. And then since, the first line is messed up and it's curving, all the lines will be messed up and curving. But we did not do that. We waited and then we introspected that can it be straight or not.
Yeah.
And then we went and then we did it straight, and then obviously the first try will not be perfect, so I think it got better with every time try we did.
Also, I think because of this tape technique actually worked, because the no lines, like once or twice I think the lines merged, otherwise the lines were pretty clear. So this technique works. You can all try it for yourself. So that was how we started doing our
also a very major thing, we spoiled the floor a little while the paint.
Not little, a lot of it actually. So what happened was that it just slipped our minds that when we were painting all the coats of white and yellow, we did not
spread
newspapers or anything. So no covering on the floor was there. And so when we did the whole paint, we realized that, oh shit, it's not gonna look good because the floor is all bad.
And since there was a lot of paint on the floor, it could not be scraped. We thought that we will scrape it.
Yeah, but it did not happen.
But it would not scrape, so she had to get a...
Yeah, so my mom said that, you know, instead of... So now that you've done the paint, let's just renovate it completely. So what we did was a new cement layer was made. They broke the whole thing, and it was remade, and now it's pretty clean.
Yeah, and I think she also bought some hangings for the garage.
Yes, so when we painted it, we were discussing that what else can we do so as to, you know.
We thought of writing some quotes and something, but that would have been a lot more work.
Tedious also it could have spoiled the whole thing.
Whole thing, and we were pretty happy with the end result.
So what we did was we ordered a few quotes. Since we decided to write quotes, we ordered a few photo frames that come on Amazon. The link will be in the description box. So they were matching the whole yellow and white.
The vibes.
Yeah, so it was all yellow and black and white. So that is what I ordered. I got 4 of them in a bunch. And then one more hanging, which was technically a door hanging. But since the garage does not have a door, I got a nail into the wall, and then I hung it on the entrance. So that is how. So now it looks pretty good, and today also we're gonna make a few changes. So let's just go and do that, and then we'll get back.
And then we'll show you the final product.
Yes, so let's go. So that was it for today's video. We hope you liked the garage and the techniques we used.
We had a lot of fun shooting this.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun, and we want you to try it out for yourselves and see if it works for you.
If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.
Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a video.
Also,
thank you for watching.